Rev Victor Kusi Boateng ati for be hye no so pani ne nsam a aba beto dwane nyina no ne nam na hye bedwane afasa sam okide to brakwa se ogide pass Rev ni ne won nsam a beto dwane e che kure se papa no krampo no ase odim yenu ena wo yisu o Ghana memu asei ema ba akukwa mpo beto dwane o mse no ne ye ne fie din ena we nso eye na brofo din ogide pass se bi papa ne ho nte sikadie basa ekwan Ghana man pani pesesan national cathedral yesi no pani we de on just onye na adwene se obema se national cathedral ni senatimi abaso se sike bia bekọ beba bia no enam so no na twere edema board of trustees nti no ase oba na odi bia fa ha wode ya busuasem no nkọ no ba na sem we beto odwa no na yera Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng wono mu a na so atwere bibi kakra de Bible nte se enche meba ba mi ho ano pani ni se wate se okuje tabla kwakra se ebe ya soraje ento omsan fanfre Reverend yi etieno abra no pani na sore kese ekose no ena Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng sore no ebekọ na wie ya no so man sore mafue munya botre we bibie no hono ma ba besie omse sraja afra me dia wo hwe ni mu an se srajefo enso ne samankrata betimi de abre no esan se wiase na wo no wonim se we no woni wiem atumfo ena enya ena omoko we no nyese bi an wo mo omne na mantwa ba bia da bi woni wiem atumfo na enya ntibeya ne nsoro no na ni enche ne wo den wo chenkuta de ne enti enche bia srajefo frɛ no a do onim biara no wono so ebetimi da ba beto abanten moma yenti Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng bre nura na sorry ekoso nsem bia wo kan eto aso edemaye.
How can I go up without fighting the demons in the air? And so stop all these fights and all this argument. The question is that, is your father okay? I am 100% okay. The question is that, is your father happy? I am super happy. The question is that, is your father going to go through this? I promise you, I'll go through it honorably. So every one of you should relax, be happy, and don't, like Doc said, don't waste your time fighting on the Facebook. Waste your time pushing the agenda of expansion. Both messages.
Yo, enti busa unsa mo papa me ho den de e no anu ankasa kasa me ho den mu bisa mu se mo papa me ankasa mani chi wase mani chi brute nti obi enya botere we no oni wiem atumfo na enya nti de aka ne mpaibo we Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng na yete ne ken anu si no na CEO edema konfano chi aban ayara sabia prophet anase prani din ene prophet ochiri ade wono so de kakra atato so de futu ekọ ediama asorema se wei enya temdie ewo social media obi enya botere esensa asem no omasama yewura Kusi Boateng edina kopie mu ewo soro agyenhwemu egusu ekoso nti obesra asorema se enu kwan so obi ayi ano ne titiri pa no ene de fense social media no obi enkonkodi atem ewo ho moma yenti opene ne gino ochire ade mensa
and give our father the opportunity to tell his side of the story. Whilst it is okay for us to give him every support, indeed that is what we are supposed to do. The best kind of support we can give him is not about posting on Facebook. It's not about insulting people. It's not about casting insinuations. The best form of support, and that is the prescribed support, I'm here to tell you today, is to quit posting, casting insinuations, and all that. But most importantly, when you go down on your knees in your closet, there are many of us who may forget, restrict ourselves only to posting on Facebook and all that. What I'm saying is quit it, leave it, but commit to praying to God in your closet. And I am certain, I have absolutely no doubt, that whatever it is for one of the three reasons that I have stated that these things are happening. This year is a year of expansion, isn't it? This auditorium, it used to be this spacious, didn't it? But there has been some expansion discipleship, what happened? There was a need to break some structures. I believe that it is prophetic. We would expand this year.
Enti prof na yetene nkan no mnyina gire pasa de aduru no asem na kopie mu e was right onu maka chom guso eye hwehwemu etenu kwanse asore ba bia na adwene sesabi ode atemdie na betimi ahia mpanifo e ho no ene kakra efuru onom aba bekensa ena no pai